Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is surface chemistry. In this chapter, we will discuss some the special phenomena. The number one is adsorption. Second one, the colloids. And third one, catalysis. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss the phenomenon that is known as adsorption. Okay. Here we will also know the difference in between these two words, absorption, and second one is adsorption. In this chapter we are going to deal with this adsorption. Okay. सपोज इसमें जैसे हम कोई स्पंज का पीस लेते हैं और इसको वाटर में इसको डिप करते हैं, तो जो वाटर है, the molecules of the water, they penetrate the total in the bulk of the sponge. Okay, so this process is called the absorption. And suppose we are painting a wall. Okay, so the paint does not penetrate inside the wall, it remains at the surface only. Okay, and another example may be taken. For example, we take a gas chamber which is filled by some gas, oxygen, carbon monoxide, etc. And we insert a piece of the active charcoal in this chamber. So after some time we see the pressure of the gas is decreased. So what is happening here? The active charcoal piece which has some active sites. Okay, and the gas molecules, suppose oxygen gas is filled, so this oxygen is accumulated upon the surface of the active charcoal. Okay, that's why the pressure of the gas, in this case we are saying oxygen, means the pressure of the oxygen will decrease. So here the action is taking only upon the surface. That's why it is called surface phenomenon, and it is differently named. It is called adsorption. Means simply we can define it, the accumulation of the molecules of a particular type of compound upon the surface of another compound. Okay, this process is called adsorption. Here the molecule of oxygen gas are accumulating upon the surface of the active charcoal. Okay, so this this gas which is adsorbing, okay, upon the surface of active charcoal, so this is called adsorbate. एडजॉर्बेट मीन्स वो कंपाउंड जो कि उस किसी पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड की सतह पर एक्यूमुलेट हो रहा है या इकट्ठा हो रहा है, ठीक है ना. एंड दिस कंपाउंड अपॉन विच सरफेस द एडजॉर्प्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एडजॉर्बेंट. मीन्स यहां पर जो एक्टिव चारकोल है, दैट वर्ड एज एडजॉर्बेंट. तो हम यहाँ तीन वर्ड हमारे पास नए आए, एडजॉर्बेट, एडजॉर्बेंट एंड एडजॉर्प्शन. ओके, तो एडजॉर्प्शन क्या है? एडजॉर्प्शन इज अ फिनोमेनन ऑफ द एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड, गैस एटसेट्रा अपॉन द सरफेस ऑफ अनदर कंपाउंड. ओके, जिस कंपाउंड की सरफेस पे एक्यूमुलेशन होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द एडजॉर्बेंट, और जिसके मॉलिक्यूल्स का एक्यूमुलेशन होता है उसको बोलते हैं एडजॉर्बेट। और इस सारे जो फिनोमेनन है इस घटना को एडजॉर्प्शन के नाम से जानते हैं। ओके, इसके कई एग्जांपल्स हम ले सकते हैं, जैसे कि अगर हम रॉ शुगर है, रॉ शुगर के सॉल्यूशन है और उसमें अगर हम एक्टिव चारकोल का पीस डाल देते हैं तो आफ्टर सम टाइम वी सी द कलर ऑफ द एक्टिव कलर ऑफ द रॉ शुगर बिकम्स कलरलेस। तो व्हाट हैपन, जो coloring materials which are present in the raw sugar, they are adsorbed on the surface of the active charcoal. Okay, similarly we can take the example of the methylene blue. Methylene blue, this is one kind of dye and its color is blue. When an active charcoal piece is dipped in this solution, so after some time it becomes colorless. So curling material by which the color of the methylene blue is adsorbed upon the surface of the active charcoal. So all these phenomena are called the adsorption, and in this there are two things, or you can say two components. One component is called adsorbate and the second component is called adsorbent. Now we will discuss the type of the adsorption. Okay. So mainly there are two types of the adsorption. First one is called physical adsorption, or you can say physisorption. Physisorption. And second one is called chemisorption. By simple name, now we will see, we will discuss the differences and the properties of the physisorption and the chemisorption. Okay. First one, we will discuss about the specificity. Specificity. Okay. Means the physisorption is not specific. मीन्स अगर हम किसी चैम्बर में we can take oxygen, we can take carbon monoxide, we can take any gas, and if a piece of active charcoal is inserted in this chamber, every gas will start to adsorb upon the surface of the active charcoal. Means there is no particular choice for the particular gas in case of the physisorption. Okay. And in this case chemisorption, नाम से हम कह सकते हैं यहाँ chemical bonding होगी. Okay. So these are highly specific. Highly specific. It means जो adsorbate है और adsorbent है उन दोनों के बीच में केमिकल रिएक्शन होना जरूरी है. If no any chemical reaction is happening in between the adsorbate and the adsorbent, then the chemisorption means adsorption of adsorbate will not take place. Okay. Second thing, forces. Okay. तो physisorption के केस में हम कह सकते हैं कि the intermolecular forces in between the molecules of the adsorbate and the adsorbent. Adsorbate and adsorbent. These are van der Waals forces. And we very well know the van der Waals forces are very weak That's why it has another property, that is reversible. Okay. Means the opposite phenomena of the adsorption is called desorption. Okay. So that can take place. This is the physisorption is possible at lower temperature. It requires lower temperatures. Okay. Means temperature low. So at low temperature, the adsorption of some gases upon the surface of the active charcoal in which no chemical bonding is taking place, the adsorption may take place. Okay. But as the temperature rises, the desorption means opposite phenomenon of the adsorption will take place. Okay. That's why it is called reversible. ठीक है. यहां हम बात करेंगे फोर्सेज की. Here no van der Waals forces are very weak. Okay. That's why just by increasing some temperature, desorption may take place. But here the bonds in between the molecules of adsorbate and adsorbents is purely chemical bonds. Chemical bonds. And we very well know that chemical bonds are very strong. That's why they are not reversible. So we can say these are irreversible. Is it clear? So here अगर टेम्परेचर की बात करें, लो टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड, हियर हाई टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड. हाई टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट अगर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी की बात करते हैं, एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी की बात करते हैं तो it requires low activation energy. It is around 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. While in case of the chemisorption, to form the chemical bond, high activation energy is required. High activation energy. It is about 80 to 240 kilojoule per mole. ओके. सरफेस एरिया की बात करें तो सरफेस एरिया दोनों के लिए प्रेफर करता है. मोर द सरफेस एरिया, मोर द फिजिजॉर्प्शन विल टेक प्लेस, मोर द केमिजॉर्प्शन विल टेक प्लेस. मतलब एड्सॉर्बेंट का जितना ज्यादा सरफेस एरिया होगा उतनी ही ज्यादा फिजिजॉर्प्शन भी होगा, उतना ही उसमें केमिजॉर्प्शन भी होगा. ठीक है. एंड अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, दिस इज मल्टी लेयर. कहने का मतलब ये है कि हमारे पास में ये एक्टिव चारकोल का पीस है. इस पे सपोज वन सरफेस ऑफ द गैस इज एडजॉर्ब. नाउ अनदर सरफेस ऑफ gas may also adsorb, another surface of gas may also adsorb. Okay, that's why it is multi-layer. Okay, but in case of the chemisorption it is unimolecular. यूं कह सकते हैं unimolecular या unilayer. There will be only one layer of the adsorbent. Okay, so these are the differences of the physisorption and the chemisorption. Okay, तो इनको बच्चों लर्न करना है और ये एग्जाम में बहुत पूछे जाते हैं इसीलिए इनके कम से कम जनरली 2 या 3 डिफरेंस पूछे जाते हैं, तो आप कम से कम सबको याद कर लेंगे तो आपको 2 या 3 तो आपको लर्न रहेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।